One of the most important factors to think about when starting up a preschool of your own is your ability to invest time and effort in making a success out of your preschool. From years and years of experience of working in the preschool sector, what we know is that the preschool operators who succeed are those who invest a lot of time and effort into the preschool operations on a day-to-day basis. This is not a preschool is not something which can succeed by operating it remotely. A preschool will not do well if the owner comes in for an hour a day or for half an hour a day. Just to give you an example, if we look at our most successful preschools, those are the preschools where the owner is there early morning to greet the parents when they bring their children into the preschool. And these are owners who know the names of all the mums and the dads, know the names of all the children who are attending their preschool, and they have a great relationship with these parents and with the children. So the children are happy to see and to be greeted in the morning. The parents are happy to be recognized and to be greeted in the morning. It also gives an opportunity for the parent to ask key questions about their child informally. So, and it is the same owner who will be there in the afternoon when the children are going back home to again see off the children, greet the mums and the dads again. And it is that level of involvement and relationship building with the parents and the children which eventually will lead to the success of the preschool. Similarly, the owner has to be deeply involved in watching how the teachers are executing the curriculum, how they are conducting their classes on a day-to-day basis. In very successful preschools, we've seen that owners are very deeply involved in the classrooms. They are very deeply involved in motivating, training, and making sure that the teachers are fully aware of what needs to be taught on a daily basis. They are compassionate, they are involved, they spend time in classrooms observing their teachers and giving them feedback on how to get better at conducting more and more interesting classes. And that's another involvement which is very, very crucial in the success of the preschool. Thirdly, the preschool owner has also to be involved in counseling new parents who want to take admission in the preschool, because a lot of times parents are very clear what kind of preschool that they want to put their child in. They may have heard about the Eurokids brand, they might have driven past your preschool a few times, but the proof of the pudding is when the parent actually walks into the preschool and what is the experience that they go through. So it's extremely important that parents get a very good experience when they come into the preschool. It's important for parents to be reassured that they have a safe, secure preschool with a high quality curriculum that they are planning to put their child into. So someone needs to be there to greet them, someone needs to be there to make sure that their particulars are noted down. They need to be given a guided tour of the preschools, show the well-appointed classrooms, the CCTV inside the classroom, the safety features, the teaching methodologies. Parents need to see how children are enjoying classes, how teachers are deeply involved in conducting these classes. They should be shown the washrooms, they should be shown the level of hygiene that we are following, they should be talked to about all the protocols that we follow to make sure that the entire preschool is safe and secure from the child's perspective. It's also important that the preschool owner be deeply involved in this counseling process. In fact, in very successful preschools, we've seen that owners insist on meeting each and every parent who wants to take admission in their preschool. And we've also seen that the preschool owners will use this opportunity to impress upon the parent the personal attention, care, and love with which the preschool is run. So that's another level of involvement that the partner needs to show in the or exhibit or do on a day-to-day basis inside the preschool in order to ensure that the preschool is successful. So if all these levels of involvement are put in by the preschool owner on a day-to-day basis, then you will definitely succeed. You will go from strength to strength. In fact, in the Eurokids preschool chain, we have quite a few cases of partners who are so deeply involved in their business, who have rapidly grown their preschools in the year one and have subsequently gone on to open a second and in some cases even a third preschool. And they're running all these preschools very, very successfully. And not only do they have deep involvement on a day-to-day basis in their preschool, but they've also developed under them a very, very strong team of equally involved and committed educators and staff who love every minute of what they do on a day-to-day basis. So, which is why the deepest involvement of the owner is one of the biggest predictors of a preschool success.